So I'm just gonna go off of who is first. Rachel, pick a number 1 through 5.
You got it.
What number?
1 through 5.
4.
All right, your ingredient is eggs. Take a wild guess.
Oh boy.
What can you make with eggs?
Pancakes.
Egg salad.
Egg salad. Nope. Well, you can make an egg salad with it, but that's not what this is. All right. Let's see. Amy, pick a number 1 through 5, but not pick 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, or 5.
What do you want? Say 5.
5.
What can we make with eggs and cheese?
Eggs and cheese. You cook with eggs.
What do you think, Amy?
Eggs and cheese.
Yeah.
An egg and cheese sandwich.
You can an egg and cheese sandwich, but that's not. All right, Christy. Are you ready?
You ready?
Number 1, 2, or 3.
Pick 1, 2, or 3. Yeah, pick number 1, 2, or 3.
2.
2.
Two. So Christy, what can you make with eggs, cheese, and onion?
Ooh. What do you make with eggs, cheese, and onion?
Awesome.
What do you think?
Right. Eggs.
Jeez, you must be keeping her up. You need some of Amy's Coke, I think. Omelet with that? What do you think?
Thinking.
Okay.
Thinking.
An omelet?
Okay.
An omelet? Good job, Christy. Got it. All right. Now we can move on to the next one. All right, Tony. Pick a number 1 through 5.
What number? Say 3.
3. Chocolate chips.
What are artichokes?
Chocolate.
What is
Oh,
it?
chocolate chips?
Oh, chocolate chips.
Yeah.
Cookies.
Yes.
Of course, cookies.
Good job.
Got
Tony.
it on the bus. Nice job.
Okay, give me some. Give me.
All right.
What the?
It's your turn. We're on to the next recipe. Pick a number 1 through 5.
At the pressure, at the hot.
What number?
Who's picking the number?
Dane.
Oh, Dane.
You know?
You want 1? Do you want 1? Okay, wait. Dane, do you want 1? 1.
Oh, there we go.
1 ground beef.
Oh.
He's getting meatballs.
Meatball. Close.
Ooh.
Oh.
Good guess.
All right, Peter. You're
No.
2, 3, 4, or 5. Sauce.
5.
Salt.
Cookie.
Cookies. All right.
Ooh.
Cookie.
All right. Cookies.
Just one cookie.
Sloppy Joe's.
Oh.
Ooh, sloppy joes. Ooh.
Oh, that's a good guess.
Oh, very good.
No
Ooh,
sloppy
that is
joe.
Cookie.
Yeah.
That's a cookie.
All right. Who who is next? Ryan.
Stop.
2, 3, or 4?
4.
3.
4. So what can you make with water, sauce, and ground beef?
Water, salt.
Water sauce with ground beef. Sloppy Joe's, I don't know.
Meat sauce.
No?
No. All right, so we'll go back to, let me check my timer really. Okay, we have some more. All right,
Okay.
we're back at you. So, I don't know which numbers. Oh, 2, 3, or 4? No. Oh, we already have 4. So 2 or 3?
2.
2. Pasta.
Uh-huh.
What can you make with pasta, ground beef, sauce, and water?
Nice.
Take a wild guess. What was that? Shrimp? No.
What you doing, me?
All right, we are going to move on to Amy.
All right.
All right, Amy. The last number.
Are you?
Yeah, it's number 3. And it's tomatoes.
Oh, ding, ding, ding.
Spaghetti. Yeah.
Good job.
Good job. Spaghetti.
Good. All right, Tony, we're back at you.
Uh-oh.
For 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Let's go with 5.
5. Pepperoni.
Pizza?
Ingredient.
Pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Good job.
Good job.
You're not eating this stuff right now. But good job.
Funny things they are, I think.
Yeah, maybe the cookies, but that'll be the party when you guys go back. We'll do pepperoni pizza, cookies. We'll do the broccoli tater tots. There you go. Spaghettis, that'll be good.
Ooh, spaghetti.
Yes.
All right, Christy, you ready? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Pick a number.
4.
Or ground beef.
Oh, no.
Ooh, we're on the ground.
What?
I'm doing season 2.
What do you think you can do with ground beef
Yeah.
you make?
Yeah.
Season.
Okay. We don't
A
know.
random guess.
Take a wild guess, Christy. It can be anything.
What did you have for lunch today?
Hamburger.
What did you have for lunch today?
Chili.
Chili.
Ooh,
Chili.
yum.
Ooh.
Mine.
Here.
Yeah.
So,
That's a good. I wish I would have thought of that, but no.
I feel musical.
All right. Let me think.
All right. All right, Dane.
Get it back in a minute.
Number 1, 2, 3, or 5?
Which one? 3.
3. Buns.
Oh.
What do you?
Hamburger. It says hamburger.
Good job. Yes.
We're running out of time, but this is a very fun game.
Absolutely.
Timer.
We
Wow.
This time already?
Yeah.
I know.
And
So I would say for those of you that are cooking these, if you want to take a picture with your tater tots, send them to me so we can post them. And then if anyone else makes them tonight or this week, share them as well so we can cooking in quarantine going.
And I want to hear tomorrow if they were good.
Yeah.
So I know if I should make them.
Okay.
All right.
Cooking with me today.
Bye, guys. Hope you had fun cooking.
Bye. All right. Thank you.